Let's talk about KitchenCraft Colourworks Silicone Spatula Spoon, 28 cm orange. All the fantastic functionality of a cooking spoon and spatula from one tool, with a durable nylon core for added strength. Curved, flexible easy scrape silicone bins with every contour of bowls, plates and pans to collect every last drop. Anti-scratch, perfect for use on non-stick surfaces without damage. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality European grade food safe silicone LFGB complete with a 5-year guarantee. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality LFGB-grade, food safe silicone complete with a 5-year guarantee. I've always used a wooden spoon when cooking and it's always served me just fine. Didn't know I was missing anything until I tried this silicone spatula spoonula. What a difference! I actually got this because I wanted something softer than wood for stirring risottos, and noticed as a side benefit that it's so much easier than a wooden spoon to scrape down any bits of rice or sourdough that are left on the pot walls from stirring. Due to its flexibility, and the softness of silicone, I can soft scrape along the bottom, walls, and corners of pots and pans, and it's like it forms a seal with the pot at that point, making it so much easier to move both food and liquid around when stirring, and do so much more accurately. And it still performs the normal functions of a wooden spoon. If you've never owned a silicone spatula spoon thing, you need to know it's going to be the only tool you ever use from now on. This is my fourth. I cannot live without a tool like this, and after a couple of years something scratches mine and I need another. I got it in orange, which is great because it won't become discolored with sauces and spices, although even the discolored ones I've had were loved fully. I am a big fan of these spatulas. I suffer from celiac disease and am the only one with this ailment in my house, which means I have to be careful with all my cooking utensils to avoid cross-contamination. I find the colors great for separating my utensils from the regular utensils in the house. Plus, these are brilliant on non-stick pots and pans as they don't damage the special non-stick surface. Lastly, the spatulas are so good, you can scrape every last bit of food off the pot with ease. I hate wasting any of my expensive gluten-free food, especially my morning porridge, so this suits my needs very well.